AWS Storage Gateway is a hybrid cloud storage service that gives you on-premises access to virtually unlimited cloud storage by linking it to S3. A storage gateway can be deployed directly in your on-premises environment as a virtual machine or as a pre-configured standalone hardware appliance. Storage Gateway provides three types of storage interfaces for your on-premises applications. File Gateway enables you to store file data as objects in Amazon S3 Cloud Storage for data lakes, backups, and ML workflows. Volume Gateway presents cloud-backed iSCSI block storage volumes to your on-premises applications. Volume Gateway stores and manages on-premises data in Amazon S3 on your behalf. Tape Gateway enables you to replace using physical tapes on-premises with virtual tapes in AWS without changing existing backup workflows.